Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we're making an earth craft. So take out your crafting kit, make sure that you also have a glue stick and some scissors, and we're going to take out all of our pieces. We've got a big black piece of paper for our background that you can unfold and flatten out. We've got our little earth model here that's going to go right in the middle, and two big eyeballs for our earth. And you can use a marker or pen to color in inside the eyeballs as well. We've got two Q-tips. Those are going to be our paint brushes. And we've got two little pots of paint. One has blue in it, and one has blue and yellow, so you can mix it together to make green. And we're going to use those to paint our earth. We also have this green piece of paper that we're going to cut up. We're going to cut it in half. And then we're going to cut each of the halves in half again. And these are going to be Mr. Earth's arms and legs, Mr. and Mrs. Earth. And I think I'm going to make my Earth have nice long eyelashes and bendy squiggly legs. So I'm going to take all of my green pieces and put them together in a pile like this. And then I'm going to fold one end up and then fold the long ends back. Do the same thing, fold the long ends back behind and do it again. Again, and then press, 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 press. When we let go, we get a zigzag like this. And we can take them all apart and you can glue them on as the arms and the legs. So let's begin to do our gluing. To start, I'm going to glue the legs onto the earth first, I think. The legs and the arms. Once these are glued on, I'll glue my earth to our background paper. I'm putting my legs a little bit closer together towards the bottom of the earth, and the arms a little bit further apart. And this way it might look a little bit like our earth is dancing, which is fun. Put glue all over the back of the earth, and then go ahead and smush her down right in the middle. There we go, look at that, awesome! Now we can add our eyeballs. There's one. Two. And we can start decorating. So I'm going to decorate my eyeballs first. Get them a little bit more even there. There we go. I'm going to give my earth some nice eyelashes, just to add a little bit of character. And then we'll put the pupil of the eyes in there. Just a nice big black dot right in the middle. And I'm going to give my earth a little smile here as well, so we can see how happy she is. Beautiful! Now that we've got the marker part done, I'm going to take my Q-tip, and you can use your plastic baggie as a little mat to help contain your paint. And we're going to start with the blue and do the oceans, which is this background part of the earth. And just paint it all up however you like. You can try to stay inside the lines of the oceans, or you can create your own design. It's totally up to you. Remember too that your Q-tip has two sides, so if one side gets a little bit too soggy, so long as you hold on to the middle of the Q-tip, you can flip it around and just use the other side. You can do nice long strokes with the Q-tip, like this, to get cover the big areas. Or you can do short little squiggles to cover the smaller areas. However works for you. This paint is washable too, so don't worry too much if you make a little bit of a mess. That's normal. But we do want to be respectful of our craft area and of our grown-ups by trying to keep things as tidy as we can. Once we have our ocean painted, we can close up our blue paints and we can go ahead and mix together our green paint, which is the yellow and the blue in the same container. So I'm going to open mine up a little bit carefully. Sometimes they get shaken up a little bit, so you want to be careful when you open it. And I'm going to focus on this yellow part a lot because I think the blue is a little bit stronger. So the green, I think, will look more green and bright and vivid. We really mix it and try to focus in on that yellow. There we go. Now we got a nice earthy green color, and we're going to use that to color in the continents. Continents are big masses of land that hold the countries that we live on. And the continents break up the big expanses of the ocean. That's pretty neat, huh? Do you all know what continent we live on? We live up here in a continent called North America. North America includes our countries, Mexico, United States, and Canada. And we live in the United States. Well, there we are. We've got our beautiful globe just hanging out and ready to go. Remember to clean up your craft supplies when you're done, and if you'd like, you can write your name on your craft. And we hope to see you next time. Bye!